Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisathompson.com. And did you know that people are turning a blind eye to quotes, images on social media? Well, I'm going to explain to you why that is and how you can still use quotes and image quotes to really attract your perfect prospects to your business on your social media profiles. Now, in the past, quotes have been, especially the image quotes, have been one of the most popular ways to get people to engage with you because people love looking at motivational and inspirational quotes. It gets a lot of engagement. However, now, within the last few years, that has dropped substantially. And why is that? Well, people are pulling them off of Google, okay, these inspirational quotes, and then they're just putting them up on social media. But what's happening is that the more people see that on your profile where you're just posting inspirational quotes, more people are seeing that as ghost accounts or bot accounts, or if you've ever had some of those where people try to send you a friend request and they become those hello dears where they're looking for marriage proposals, okay? So you see these ghosts and fake accounts using these. So what can you do to make yourself stand out? Well, you can use an image quote. But what you want to do is use like a tool like Canva. Get yourself, take a nice picture of yourself, and you can maybe get it on a transparent background, and you can put that in on an image and create your own image posts, okay? And put some of those quotes in there with you in the image quote. Or you can go and just take pictures of yourself out and about with your lifestyle, and then put the quote in using Canva. And then you want to put some thought into writing something in the description of the photo about what that quote means to you. How did that inspire you? How did that make you have an aha moment where it made you make the change to, start a business or lose weight or do something for your family? Put some of you into that marketing. Spend some time and do that, because what's going to happen is that all of a sudden people are going to be attracted to you. They'll see those quotes all over the place. And it's like, oh, someone else is doing this. Oh, someone might be marketing, or this could be a ghost account. But if you have a picture of you in there and you are putting your story into what that quote is, what's going to happen is people are going to stop and they're going to realize, wow, this person made a change here. And they're going to want to follow you. They're going to want to see more of your insights. And pretty soon, they're going to want to be reaching out to you saying, hey, what is it that you're doing? It is a very, very powerful way for you to really start getting results in your business. Now, did you find this valuable today? If you did, leave a comment and share. And if you'd like to know more great tips and strategies on really how to leverage social media, I'd like you to check out this training my very good friend Erin Birch did. She is a top social media expert. Now, I want to give you a little bit of background about Erin. Erin is a stay-at-home or single mom of 2 boys, okay? And she used to have a jewelry business, and she was struggling really hard to make ends meet. So she figured out how to leverage social media in her home business. Now, she also did not have any money to do any type of paid advertising. She doesn't have a lot of tech skills. So she learned how to use her Facebook personal profile in a way to attract people to her. And that's what she started doing with these image quotes, where she shares about how certain quotes impacted her life. And people started following her. And before you know it, Right now, she's enrolled over 600 people into her business. She's a multiple six-figure earner, and now she's living the lifestyle of her dreams. She was able to take her two teenage sons, on an all-expenses-paid trip in cash to Europe. And now they're making these amazing memories. She's living the life of her dreams. And right now she created a free training where she shows you exactly what she does, as well as her daily social media method of operation on Facebook. So if you would like to look at that free training, just go to the link. It is in the first pinned comment section, or the first pinned comment in the comments section below this video. You can check it out and you can see exactly what she does. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.